Hey y'all, I'm Alicia and welcome to my channel. If you're new here, I share beauty and lifestyle videos, so I would love for you to subscribe. And if you're not new, then welcome back. For today's video, it's going to be an unboxing slash application slash review of a new Vampire Diaries themed beauty line. So if y'all want to learn more about it, then just keep watching. I'm going to be honest with y'all, like I always am. I've already unboxed this, or well, unbagged it. It's in an envelope for my Instagram, but I did put it back in here so y'all can get the effect of an unbagging. So Charmed is who created this line. She also has some super cute TVD merch. If you have seen me in my pink Get In Bestie, We're Going to Mystic Fall shirt with Damon's car on the front, she is the one who designed it, and she also has a Halloween version and a Christmas version, and I need both. She has a website and an Etsy store, so I will link both down below in the description box. But she is also a makeup artist and has been for I think 10 plus years. If not more than 10, definitely 10 years. And just in case you are new here, I am a makeup artist as well. So to see two of my favorite things, makeup and the Vampire Diaries, in a collection, I am like on cloud nine. So her name is Danielle. Definitely go and follow her on Instagram. I will leave that down below in the description box as well. But I'm going to shut up and actually show y'all the stuff because I am obsessed. So first things first, I do have on a pair of the lashes. This is the style Enzo, and the lashes are named after the TVD men. And then she also has lip kits, and they are named after the TVD ladies. So this is, nope, I had it on in the intro, but I took it off because I was going to apply it. I'm so scatterbrained right now. Okay, lashes. I'll show this first. So once again, this is the Enzo. Look at the packaging. It is a little coffin, and I am so obsessed. So she sent me two, wearing the Enzo, and then this is the Kai. These are very wispy, and I love wispy lashes, and then they are a little bit longer on the ends to kind of give the cat eye effect. And then these look like they might be a little bit fuller but also wispy and not quite as dramatic on the length on the end. And how dang cute is the little lash applicator. So I did use these to apply these lashes, and I love how the size of that, because some of them are just so long, so it's hard to like get in the inner corner because it'll poke you and you have to figure out how to do the tweezers. So I love how small they are, and wait until y'all see the packaging for the lip kit. It looks like a little blood bag. I seriously love it so much. So Danielle actually designed all of this, and just like I said, the little details. It says Mystic Falls Medical Center, and then the doppelganger, that is the lip kit I chose. And then it says volunteer donor caution, contents may cause two vampire brothers to fall in love with you. I picked the perfect kit then, although I just want one, Damon. And then it also had two stickers in it. Love that one. And then here's her little, that is Danielle. Is she not gorgeous? So the other two lip kits is Bennett Witch for Bonnie, of course, and then Miss Mystic Falls for Caroline. I almost got the Miss Mystic Falls because it's kind of pinky, but I thought this one would go better with my skin tone. But you seriously can't go wrong with any of them. So as of right now, they are available for pre-order, but definitely go pre-order right now. You will not regret it. So here is what comes in the lip kit. You get a lip liner, lipstick, and a lip gloss. So the lip kit is, I believe, $65.99, but you get these three full-size products, and then the lashes are $20. So that is such a good price for lashes, and they feel so comfortable. I don't even feel like I have them on. They were very easy to apply. The lip liner is called The Cure. And normally when I apply my lip liner, I apply it after my lipstick, but I want y'all to be able to see what the lip liner looks like. Okay, so there's the lip liner. So the reason I normally do my lip liner after my lipstick is I basically just use the lip liner to kind of smooth out the edges and make the edges more sharp, but that's usually with darker or brighter lipsticks. But since this is a nude lipstick, I don't mind doing the lip liner first, because then you can use it kind of to fill in the lines with your lipstick, if that makes sense. So here is the lipstick. Such a beautiful brown nude. I love nudes, and it's perfect for going into fall. And this is called Elena, and it is a luxury matte lipstick. Love it. So with your lip liner, you can also just go ahead and fill in all of your lips. That's going to make your lipstick last longer, and then that's also going to kind of change the color up a little bit. So if you want a different color, then you can do that. Okay, so this is the lip liner, lipstick. Now let's apply the gloss on top. So the gloss is called Dear Diary. Y'all, this lip gloss smells like bubblegum. This lip gloss feels so good. It is not sticky at all. That is one of my biggest pet peeves with lip gloss, is if they're sticky. I do not like them at all. This one feels so good. And I would wear this gloss by itself too. And this would look pretty over any lipstick. So if you have kind of a darker lipstick but you don't want it to be so bright, you could add this gloss and it will kind of tone it down. So not only can you wear all three together, you can wear all three by themselves. You can even wear this as a lipstick. So if, like I was saying, you can fill in your lips with this liner, and then that can be a lipstick. Then you can just do the outside with the lipstick, wear that. You can wear all three together. You can wear this gloss with any lipstick. You can wear it by itself. You can wear this lipstick mixed in with another lipstick. So even though it is $65, $66, you can wear these so many different ways. So it is definitely worth it. And especially the lashes being just $20. That is such a good deal. And like I said, they are so comfortable. The lip is so comfortable. I think I found my new favorite combo and my new favorite lashes. They are so pretty, but I'm excited to see what the Kai looks like on too. So next time I do a makeup tutorial here, I will try these on, but I don't know if I can even wait. So definitely follow me on Instagram and TikTok, because within the next few days, I will probably be trying these out, or at least post a picture on my stories. But yeah, I really hope that y'all enjoyed this unboxing slash application slash review of the new Decharmed TVD beauty line. I was so excited to share this with y'all, so definitely go and check it out. Like I said, I will leave all of her websites, Instagram, all of her info down below in the description box. Definitely go and pre-order your lip kit and or lashes. Doppelganger lip kit, Enzo lashes, but you can't go wrong with any of the lashes or any of the lip kit. It was so hard to pick. I just love everything, so definitely go and check it out. But I really hope that y'all did enjoy this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I make new videos every week, but I don't have anything else to say except thank you for watching, and I'll see you on my next video.